is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Namaste friends, welcome back to the channel Mr. and Mrs. Today we are unboxing a product which is related to gaming, which is this gaming pad from Byte called as Nebula wireless controller. Let us unbox it and see what all contents are available inside the box. When you open, we see the controller. Then we have the cable which is used for charging, and also we have a CD disc. Then a manual is present. Then we have two connectors. This is the wireless connector of Type A connectivity to the USB port, and if you want to connect it to a Type C port, in many of the laptops Type C port will have with power supply. So for that they have given a converter. Type C to Type A converter is available. So let's take out the gamepad. So this is the gamepad. This has two joysticks and a controller, and there are several buttons. Like 4 buttons are available, and there are 2 more buttons, home and start button, and triggers are available at the top. We have 4 triggers, 4 trigger buttons. 4 trigger buttons are present. The build quality is sturdy. I don't see any issue with the build quality. And buttons are also smooth to operate. And this has lights available once you switch it on. You need to see the lights. So this is about Byte Nebula gamepad, game controller, wireless game controller. As you see from the box, it comes with a 600 mAh battery, 600 mAh battery, USB to C OTG is available. Then you have turbo mode. You can work on all Windows platforms. Wireless USB receiver is present, as you have seen. Vibration effects is present. Then it ranges up to 8 meters with 2.4 gigahertz. And the battery life is going to be 12 hours gaming time on the box. And this is compatible with Windows games for all Windows with X input and direct input. On back of the box, we have some more features mentioned here on the back of the box. So I'll not go through all of this. It's a good product from Byte. That's all I want to speak for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for future notifications. And do like the video and please drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.